Hi, I'm Laleyna Gomez, aka Amore Querida, DJ producer extraordinaire, live and direct here at the Engine Room. My very first MPC was the MPC 3000. I had the all-black Roger Lynn edition. Absolute favorite production tool back then. Right now I'm sitting here with the Akai MPC Live III, and this is bringing back so many memories in terms of, you know, the old school style of flow. You've got a lot of cool features on this unit. It's portable, it's a powerhouse, and I am super excited to dive a little deeper with you guys. Let's do this. The MPC Live III is Akai's latest production center. No laptop needed, you just turn it on and you've got a full production studio, sampler, sequencer, synthesizers, clip launching, and it's also a performance rig. It runs on a faster processor, it's got more RAM, and the new MPC software features make it feel more powerful and expressive than previous standalone models. The 16 pads now have 4 quadrants on each pad, which offer 3D sensing. Basically what that means is you can not just control the velocity, but you can also control the XY movement and also the pressure of the effect. So each pad is not just one, you have 4 on each. So these 16 pads will actually turn into 64 sounds, which gives you more expressive playing with your finger drumming, and you can make fresher tracks with it. So on the MPC Live III, they've added 16-step sequencing buttons, which is something that the Live II didn't offer. These buttons bring a Groovebox workflow to this unit. You can now launch clips in the clip matrix. This is great for improvising arrangements on the fly. This is awesome for the beat maker and a live performer. On this unit, they've added a real-time modulation touch strip, which lets you control filters, pitch bends, scratches, and effects. Grace, you got attitude. For all you remixers out there, if you're into stem separation and you just want the vocals or you just want the drum tracks, you don't need a computer with this unit. You could do it right on board. She got attitude. She got attitude. On the Live III, they've added more I/O. Now we have USB-C audio, 2 combo hybrid jacks offering XLR and TRS inputs, and they've kept the 8 CV gate outs for the modular user. On this unit, they added built-in speakers, internal microphone, rechargeable battery, but stronger hardware behind it. So the internal microphone is great for coming up with ideas on the fly. If you want to record a quick hook or you have an idea, you can lay it down right into the MPC Live III.
DJ Zeffy. DJ Zeffy.
You know, if you're a gearhead and you like performing live, This is definitely worth upgrading with some of the features like the stem separation, the time stretch, the MPCe pads for the expression playing. But if you are just making, simpler type of boom bap beats at home and you have your workflow, you already have your dedicated machine that you like using, then, it's not necessary to upgrade. In the beginning of this video, I mentioned having an MPC 3000. And the thing I loved about that machine was the swing on the timing for my drums. The MPC Live III has that classic swing, bringing me back to the days of when I started on the MPC 3000. So you're probably wondering who this MPC Live III is for. Well, it's for everybody, really. It's for the sample-based producer, the beat maker, the live performer, the modular producer, electronic musicians, modular synth users, and also anyone who wants to be laptop free. It's not just for the old school hip hop or EDM heads, it's for anyone looking to produce on the fly, anywhere. So guys, let me know in the comments, is it worth upgrading? Are you gonna upgrade to the MPC Live III? My name's Amore Querida, and I'm out. Loving where I'm going. Let my mind be free, becoming who I'm knowing. That's alright with me, growing seeds to flowers. Trust the sun in me, knowing that I'm rising. Breathing in my peace.
Spread across like the ocean. Flow in every space, connect seas we approaching. The universal mind, teach our kids what we coaching. Follow every fire that's inside while it's burning. Live inside with passion every day, we'll bring yearning. Yearning for the peace that this world is concerned with. Occupying minds with more positive notions. Attract to the masses like tragic emotions. But it's love, and love is a potion. Absorbing every pore on cold skin like a lotion. It's easy to fall victim to a life that's unfocused. It's all about decisions and the paths that are chosen. So we could blame the next man for our situation. Or understand the feelings rule worlds in our nations. Soon as you control inner thoughts for creations.